In a market drowning in fear, three unlikely cryptos are quietly defying gravity. While most investors are staring at Bitcoin's sideways chart, a few hidden players are breaking patterns, shattering expectations, and rewriting the momentum story. Kava, Decred, and something called Giggle Fund. Each one moving for completely different reasons. But are these early signs of a broader crypto rotation, or just noise before the next correction? Let's break down what's really driving this momentum, and what it could mean for what's coming next. Welcome back to The Crypto Loop, where we decode the stories behind the charts. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because today we're diving deep into the coins the market doesn't want you to ignore right now. First up, Kava. In just 24 hours, it jumped over 25%, breaking out of a technical pattern that's been building for months. But this wasn't random hype. Volume exploded by 348%, and traders finally noticed what's been brewing. Kava isn't just another Layer 1 chain. It's a hybrid powerhouse bridging Cosmos and Ethereum, quietly stacking up over $193 million in total value locked. This move isn't just technical, it's narrative. As modular blockchains gain traction, Kava's clean architecture fits the new era of scalability. And yet, its market cap, around $175 million, still sits nearly 75% below its 2023 peak. There's potential, but also pressure. If trading volume holds above $100 million per day, bulls could keep control, but drop below $80 million. And that same excitement could turn into sharp profit-taking. The question is, has Kava just woken up? Or is this its final push before exhaustion? Then there's Decred, up a staggering 41% in a day, and almost 80% this week. It's not hype, it's politics. After CoinMarketCap reclassified it as a privacy asset, Decred became the center of a debate that's sweeping across Europe. As the EU discusses limits on anonymous crypto transactions, investors are rotating toward what can't be censored, and Decred, with its hybrid proof-of-work and proof-of-stake model, is leading the pack. Open interest has jumped keystone 259%. More traders are betting that if regulation gets tighter, demand for privacy coins will explode. And here's the twist. Nearly 60% of Decred's total supply is staked, meaning there's less to sell and less pressure on price. But that makes it fragile too. If the EU delays or softens its stance in the first quarter of 2026, this momentum could evaporate overnight. Right now, though, Decred is more than a rally. It's a statement. And then there's the wild card. Giggle Fund. Up 26% in a day and nearly 100% in a week. It sounds like a joke, but traders aren't laughing. The spark? Binance announced it would donate 50% of its trading fees from Giggle Fund to education causes, and burn half of those donated tokens permanently. In other words, every month, supply shrinks, and in a speculative market, that's all it takes to fuel a frenzy. Daily trading volume has almost doubled, hitting $174 million. Despite Giggle having little in the way of fundamentals, it's a paradox, a token built on memes, moving on math. But if Binance maintains transparency around its charity partners and burn mechanism, Giggle's story could evolve from satire to substance. Still, this is where risk lives, and where narratives burn the brightest before fading away. So, what does this all mean? Right now, Layer 1s like Kava are rising on innovation. Privacy assets like Decred are running on conviction. And meme tokens like Giggle Fund are proving that belief, even speculative belief, still drives crypto. But zoom out. The fear index sits at a 24 out of 100. The market's scared, but these coins are running against that fear. That contrast, that's what makes this moment so fascinating. As we head into Friday's US CPI release, momentum will be tested. Will these rallies hold, or will they crumble under macro pressure? The real question isn't just which coin will keep climbing. It's whether this surge marks the start of something bigger or just the echo of a forgotten cycle. Thanks for watching. The Crypto Loop. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like. It really helps more people see this kind of research. And tell me in the comments, which of these cryptos do you think has the strongest long-term story? Stay curious, stay cautious, and as always, stay in the loop.